Ovente electric panini press grill bread toaster non-stick double-sided flat plates with 3 temperature setting and removable drip tray. For slice sandwich maker for burger and grilled cheese, silver GP 1861BR. Quick grilling, instantly cooks your favorite food with its powerful 1500W heating element and 3 heat settings, low, medium, high. Full grill mode, opens flat to give you double the grilling space. Easy, fast, and versatile for any gathering or party. Cool touch handle, for safe and easy operation. Compact, its slim design doesn't take up much space on your countertop or table. Easy to clean, comes with a grill brush that easily cleans the grill plates and a drip tray to catch the excess fat and grease. Yeti Total Package 6-in-1 Digital Grill, Waffle Maker, Panini Press, Griddle, with Deluxe Accessory Kit. Yeti Total Package 6-in-1 Grill. The Yeti grill works as a contact grill, waffle maker, panini press, full grill, full griddle, half grill/half griddle with temperature ranges from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use digital controls, versatility, and FUNCTIONALTY. Control top and bottom temperatures separately. Heats up extra fast. Has a built-in drip tray that removes for easy dishwasher cleanup. And easy to change settings to Celsius. 2 EGG rings and spatula/tongs for culinary execution. With every grill purchase, Yeti has included 2 silicone egg rings that can be used to make perfect sunny side up eggs or mini pancakes. Furthermore, Yeti provides a spatula/tongs accessory that is perfect for lifting and flipping delicate foods and to drain cooking liquids and oil for lower fat, lower calorie cooking. Yeti's spatula/tong combo accessory is both BPA-free and heat-resistant. Cuisinart GR11 Griddler 3-in-1 Grill and Panini Press. Opens flat to double the cooking surface. Preset temperature is perfect for grilling burgers, steaks and sandwiches. Power on/ready to cook indicator lights. Adjustable front feet for better grease drainage. Brushed stainless steel housing, dishwasher safe plates. 180 degrees grill and press housing with hinged floating lid for healthy versatile cooking. The indoor grill can work as a panini press, sandwich maker, countertop steak grill and roaster machine. And with 1500W high-power panini press grill only takes 2 to 5 minutes to preheat. Temperature control and timer intelligent temperature control with temperature range 120 to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. Panini press sandwich maker will stop heating when the temperature has up to the preset value, preventing your grilled food from being burned. Built-in timer is up to 30 minutes. Perfect for making a quick snack, sandwiches for lunch, or grilling up dinner.